Welcome back to One Grounds Management and the Grounds Mobility Management System. Through this video we're going to show you how to become a qualified service partner. And for those of you that are current service partners, the bottom section here on this page will have some things that you need to submit. Since you are a current service partner, you don't have to submit the forms, but we would like you to go through and answer the questions. And for those that are new service partners with us that haven't worked with us in the past, this section here will have some documentation that it will ask for. We do need to have you submit those documents in order to be able to do the work that you're assigned, or up in this section, which is right up here on the list of locations that you're awarded. You will need to be a qualified service partner in order to perform that work on the site. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is submitting your W-9. It's really easy. All you got to do is just get the document together, send it in. After you get it sent in, hit the submit button, and you will notice that in the top part of this section there is a progress ring, and that progress ring will indicate that you're on your way to becoming a qualified service partner. It will turn yellow until it is approved, and once it's approved, this will turn green and you're done with it, unless you need to resubmit that information for some reason. So with that, let's go to the next one, which is workers' compensation. If you have it, just say yes, and then give us the date that it expires if there is an expiration date, or provide us the information that we need through the subcontractor service at 1gm.com. That is the email that we would like to receive documents through, and we do prefer receiving documents through that email as well. So once you get that together and you put in your date, let's say that that's sometime in April or May. Let's go May 1st, and then just hit submit, and it will continue on, and then move to the next one, which is liability insurance. And again, on the liability insurance, it's going to ask for a date. Make sure that you contact your insurance company and have them forward the information to us, showing that we are additionally insured, as it says here. And again, give them the subcontractor service at 1gm.com email address. That's where we prefer to receive those. If they can only fax it, then that's fine too. We do want that. Once you get that done, go ahead and click the submit button. I'm going to go ahead and put that May 1st in here again, so you can see how this works. And click the submit. And then on licenses, if you perform or are bidding work that requires you to have a license, such as a pesticide license or something along those lines, you can put those in here and click submit. And again, any documentation that you can provide, please send that to subcontractor service at 1gm.com. On the company information, this one just asks a couple questions and then asks you to give more specific information regarding your address, contact, and fax numbers, and then how you prefer to be contacted. When you get that filled, hit submit. And then payment guidelines. This is a document. There's a document attached here that will give you the payment guidelines of how we pay, whether or not you want to do direct deposit or have live checks. It explains that process to you. And then once you acknowledge those by hitting submit, the very last thing that you need to do in order to become a qualified service partner is just say that you understand that while you've given all of those documents, that 1GM is going to review them, and once they've reviewed them and that they have found that you qualify as a service partner for One Grounds Management, they will say that you're approved, and that section will change. You'll see it change all the way to green, and then you'll see that this progress ring turns into 100% complete. So that's all you've got to do to become a qualified service partner. We look forward to working with you, both the new ones and continuing to work with our current service partners. And again, thank you for your input in putting this system together, and we'll see you in the next video, which will go over how to become a preferred service partner.